Gaming. So today I'm going to be running you guys through my sneaker collection. So without any more talking, let's get straight into the video. So starting with pair number 1, I have the Air Jordan 1 Nigel Sylvester. Pair number 2, Air Jordan 1 Wings, and I don't even really explain those two. The Air Jordan 1 Retro, size 11, size 9.5, looking to sell. Pass is dead stock, try on. Worn like 5 times. One little minor scratch on the leather. And my Sean Witherspoon 2 pairs, size 8.5 dead stock, looking to sell for like $625. Those are going up. Size 9.5, 9 out of 10 condition. Selling it for like $500. Off-White Air Max 97, size 9.5. OG all. Really clean bottoms. But they're just yellow. Selling for $500. And my Presto, size 8, OG all. Extremely clean bottoms. Selling it for, I don't know, just offer. Ultra Boost 1.0, frozen yellow for my mom. Easy V2 cream white. They recently have a restock. You can still get a pair on Easy Supply, I guess. Dirty Boost. One of my favorite sneakers in my collection, Air Easy 2 Platinum. I already sold those, so I have to say goodbye to them. I already said goodbye to my LV Easy Dons. Pretty sad, but what comes around goes around. So this is a Nike React Element 87, the new Nike technology with the React cushioning. And this pair is a size 9 that stock that I get for retail. Sorry, I don't know why the camera stopped recording, but we have to go on. So as I was saying, this pair I got it from Nike Sneaker. I'm looking into sell for around like 340, 370. This is going up, by the way. And my Human Race right here, 2.0 with the trail bottom. They're really comfortable. And 2 pairs dead stock, size 8. And a pair of Black Cement 3 from 2011. Look at the color. Look at this paint chipping. And the creases right here. Look at the bottom, bruh. They need a deep clean and a restoration. And I have a lot of my everyday shoes. I'm just gonna pick them up real quick. So my Machada 10 Vans I got from Nordstrom Rack for $35. My Snoopy Vans collab I got for like $30. My Air Jordan 1 David leather bag I got for $50. Parlay I got it for $100. Daily Beaters, comfortable. Gucci, my designer shoes. Balenciaga, designer shoes. I have like a lot of designer shoes, Fendi for sale. So if you want it, hit up my Instagram at AAA_sneaker. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. And I have this pair, Ultra Boost 1.0 CNY, size 8.5. Super clean condition, OGO, looking for sale for $300. And nice kicks, NMD, size 10. You can't find this pair. Like passes dead stock condition for $800. That's a steal, major steal. Ultra Boost JD. Those are not your generic Ultra Boost 1.0 black. This one, it's a collaboration, I think, with Adidas creative director. Super clean, size 9.5, looking at for sale for $280. Just hit up my Instagram, feel free. I'm gonna show you guys some of my Grail sneaker, I guess. Not Grail, but like cool Off-White sneaker, Off-White Vapor Max, size 9 dead stock. I can't call myself a collector, I'm more like a reseller, I guess. And the Off-White Air Jordan 1 Europe exclusive, size 8 dead stock. I'm keeping them because those are going up for real. And real quick. A pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. I see. These will be going up in the future when the second colorway release. And more shoes coming in after Travis Scott Air Force 1 sale, Jordan 1 Off-White UNC, 3 pairs of Easy 700, and 10 pairs of Core Purple and Pine Trees. Here we have the super rare MDR1 Burgundy Suede. That's stock. Woman 8.5. If you want it, just hit up my Instagram. I'm selling it for $350. I'm willing to negotiate my price of my Kith Ultra Boost. That stock, size 9, OGR, really good pair of shoes. I'm looking at the store for like $430 to get rid of those. What else do I have? Yeah, I have some like, I love this pair right here. Keeping them on ice. This is my personal collection. I'm probably not gonna wear those. If I met Kobe someday, he's probably gonna sign. I'm gonna probably give this to him and let him sign this pair. Air Kobe 1 Pro Tro. Those are so cool. Look at the leather quality. Perfect. What else do I have? Yeah, I have like the Curry MVP pack. Curry 1, the Curry 2. Curry 1 is right here. Let me just like show you guys some detail on those. They're so cool. Curry 1 MVP pack. 1 and 2 MVP pack. I'm not wearing this. This is too small, size 8. If I met Curry, I'm letting him sign this as well. How would you guys rate my sneaker collection? 1 out of 10. Comment down in this. Please comment down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm road to like 600 subscribers. And please follow me on Instagram. If you like every shoes in this video, if you want to purchase them, just hit up my Instagram in the DM. And I'm probably gonna do a Hypebeast room tour later in the future. I'm probably gonna do like how to resell sneakers, how to get sneakers for cheap, whatever. Some ideas come through.